How to fix Instagram home feed on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there is any update here and then click on it, and after updated your Instagram, your problem will be fixed easy and quick. First if that doesn't fix it, go to settings, scroll down, click apps, and then apps again, type here this one for Android phones, type here Instagram, click for stop, go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here. And if you have an iOS, go to settings, general, iPhone storage, select Instagram and click offload, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.